Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Today in this video, we are entering the Double Dip Celebrity Nail Contest, alright? And I am doing a recreation of Megan Thee Stallion's nails, alright? So first I'm going to go in with the Magic Tip Kit, and here I am showing you exactly how I do that on one of my practice fingers. And I am going to cut the tip because she always has the lipstick shape. And I'm going to buff the surface so that my gel polish will adhere. And I'm going in with 2 coats of this color. And I will be doing a French. So I'm going to show you my kind of easy French method. I first apply the white. And then I just clean up the smile line. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this as well. From here, we're going to go in with our blue, and we're going to do that little design. And if you did not know, this kit did come with some cute little rhinestones, so we will be using those in the video as well. Trying to do this took a little time, I will say. But just make sure that you clean up as you go. And to clean up, I just used a little alcohol. So these are the rhinestones that came in the kit, and I'm going to use the 4-in-1 glue gel to apply the rhinestones. And I'm going to pop it in the lamp, and boom, okay, there she goes. How do you all think I did?